Hello and welcome to Tryst with Truth. Today we are going to continue our deliberations on the love revolution which impacts the society. In the previous episodes, we started off delving upon love your neighbor. Later, we dwelt upon loving your enemy. But the million-dollar question is how? How on earth can I love somebody with whom I am emotionally detached? Human depravity is that even when we know we ought to love, we are not able to. Probably our inability stems from the past hurts and unresolved emotions. Have you not experienced such situations? That is the state of abject helplessness. Is there a way out? Yes. Can someone help us? Yes. We will get help from the one who taught us to love our enemies and demonstrated how to do it. Jesus practiced it throughout his life, and even during the dark hours of his life, when he was physically tortured, mentally rejected and despised, and emotionally abandoned, he prayed for those who crucified him. While experiencing bitterness with our enemies, Jesus' prescription is not about practicing restraint or non-retaliation, not about exercising tolerance with that person, but much more than that. It is to extend proactive, intentional love. Now, Jesus was advocating the principle of love as it was the reflection and outflow of his own character. Also, that is the best recipe for a peaceful, harmonious society. How wonderful when we start practicing that. Let me draw your attention to the radical mandate of Jesus given to his disciples in this context in Matthew chapter 5 verse 44. It goes this way: I say to you, love your enemies, bless those who curse you, do good to those who hate you, and pray for those who spitefully use you and persecute you. Please observe three important verbs that he prescribed in this verse: pray, bless, and do good. Pray for those who spitefully use you and persecute you. Bless those who curse you. Do good to those who hate you. Coming to the first one, pray. If you are not able to love someone, the first step should be to pray for them. It may be very difficult to pray for a person who has hurt us or who persecutes us. But praying is a very important step. As we pray for their good, a very interesting thing happens. That is called the boomerang effect. We prayed for them, but now it starts to impact us. Our hard hearts start to soften. Our attitude towards them starts to change. There's a transformation of our heart. Before we change the world, we need to change ourselves. Thus, when we pray, God is at work and God starts to heal our leprous heart, which was not willing to forgive or love. Now our prayer is impacting both us and also the person whom we wish to love. And as the heart is getting transformed, we are able to practice the second and the third steps. The second step is to bless them. Even when they curse us, that is, we need to speak words of blessing. A person whom we would have otherwise cursed or avoided, now we are able to smile at them, greet them, say words of encouragement, care, and appreciation. Coming to the third point, do good. Having prayed for them, having spoken words of blessing, when we find them in need, our hearts would be ready to help them. We will be willing to invest our time, energy, and resources sacrificially. Don't you think that all this will have a positive impact on that person? I am reminded of an incident which took place decades ago in China. Here is a farmer who toiled hard to irrigate his paddy field using the water wheel, the traditional rotating wheel arrangement. But it so happened that during the night, the person of the neighboring field came and drained away the whole water to his field, as his field was at a lower level. The next day, when this farmer arrives, he finds that the toil of the whole day was stolen away. The subsequent days, the same story unfolded. The farmer's heart was shattered. Not knowing what to do, he went and sought the advice of his spiritual mentor. They sat together and prayed for that neighbor. The coming days, as was advised, he goes and irrigates the field of his neighbor first and then his own. This was possible because the prayer had transformed the heart of the farmer. Prayer was impacting the neighbor as well. That profound gesture of goodness finally melted the neighbor's heart, who comes to this farmer and says, "I am sorry for having wronged you." That marked the beginning of a new chapter in their relationship. The love revolution had set in. Friends, we have a very short life. Relationships are very precious. May I encourage you to mend our relationships. That's how we are going to make our small contribution that will impact the world through love revolution. The next episode, God willing, I look forward to sharing with you a heart-touching incident from the World War II, where these principles were put to practice. Till we meet again, goodbye.